Lovely Cancerians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Cancerians, we are into the Cancerian season right now. It's all about you, your energy. Let me wish you a very happy birthday, guys. May your year be filled with lots of love, bliss, peace, abundance and health, guys. I hope you have a lovely birthday too. So Cancerians, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Also, do not forget to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding, like your rising, moon, Venus. Do check that signs as well to get a clear picture. So Cancerians, like you are saying, I have already laid down the cards so that I can reduce the shuffle time. So like from last month I have changed the pattern of the reading to a 5-card spread followed by oracle card, a crystal card, and from this month onwards I am also going to pull some tarot charms for you guys. So we'll get some additional messages for you. The charms are already for you. We'll get some additional messages for you guys. It's going to be super interesting, super fun. So do stay tuned till the end of the reading, okay? So Cancerians, talking of your energy, I was like when I started meditating, my heart was literally pounding very hard. Okay, I felt a lot of anxiety coming through. Someone is very edgy, someone is very nervous. Okay, that kind of an energy I was getting. I wasn't getting any other messages, just the heavy pounding of my heart. Okay, I actually took long breaths and then it settled down. So that's what is needed, I think, guys. You are being anxious about something, but all you need to do is calm down. Okay, just whenever you are feeling very anxious, just take a couple of big long breaths. Okay, and you'll instantly feel the relief, because that's all it took me for it took me to calm down. Just a few long breaths and I was sorted. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. The energy is very much temporary. Okay, something is causing you anxiety, and the good news is you can control it. That's how it's very rare that I feel calm also so instantly. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about is what I actually sensed. Also, the card that kept on popping from this deck that I use is Watch Your Thoughts. Okay, so if you are being too negative about something, too skeptical about something, or indulging into negative thought processes, please do not do that. Okay, it's not going to serve you any good. There was another message that kept on popping. I'm not able to recall it right away, but let's see if at all I remember it. I'll let you know through the course of the reading. Okay, so guys, let's jump into your reading now. Coming to your present energy, the current energy is that of 7 of Pentacles. Now this is some of you guys who are waiting for something. Okay, probably in terms of their careers, waiting for some decision, waiting for some news, waiting for some, I don't know what it is. Okay, some mail, some approval, whatever it is, it could be anything. Okay, but looks like this is related to someone's decision. Maybe it could be related to something materialistic. Okay, you want to buy a new house and you are waiting. Okay, you want to buy something, a big asset, and you are waiting for the right time. That kind of energy, something very much related to materialistic thing is what I'm getting. But definitely you are in this waiting phase wherein you are like being patient. Okay, you are like just let me wait. Okay, you are kind of, maybe this is also this also is causing you that anxiety, because you are in that waiting stage wherein you are not able to proceed further, but you don't have any choice but to wait patiently. That kind of energy. Well, I was not getting this energy, so I asked for the clarification. It was clarified by Knight of Pentacles and a Judgment card. So guys, Knight of Pentacles is definitely the slowest moving energy in the tarot world or in the tarot deck. Okay, so definitely whatever it is taking a lot of time, it's coming to you painfully slow. Okay, and the waiting period is kind of killing you. Okay, but know that this is something which is going to be worth it. It's going to give you a second chance to something. This is a Judgment card, which generally talks about giving second chance. Okay, second chance to life, second chance to a relationship, second chance to your work decision, whatever it is, okay, a second chance to something, a fresh an opportunity provided to by you, provided by the universe to you to start afresh, that kind of energy. Maybe yes, definitely, maybe it's taking a lot of time, but know that it's going to be worth it, is what I'm saying. You will have to make a judgment call over something, this decision or this whatever it is waiting for, whatever it is you are waiting for. It might need, or it might ask you to take some decision, and you'll have to go by your instinct, you'll have to go by your gut feeling about that thing. We'll talk about this later, why I'm talking about this decision making, okay, as we move in the reading. The energy in your recent past is that of Aquarius. Now this is a very beautiful energy, guys. I really like whenever I get this card. Now this is all about balancing, okay. Some of you guys have actually worked on your core, your inner self, while you are in your waiting phase, okay. You have kind of imbibed the virtue of having patience, okay. You have been probably meditating, you are probably doing some manifestation works, or you might be basically you're working on yourself, on your spiritual aspect. You're also taking time to heal, okay. You're taking time out to clear the emotional blockages. Maybe some of you guys are also healing physically through some element, is what I'm seeing over here. It's a beautiful energy, guys. This lady, see this lady, she's trying to do the balancing, okay. She's pouring her emotions, she's letting go of certain things, okay, trying to pour the water through both the jars, okay. One of it is going in water, mixing in water. One of the flows is on the rocks, okay. So she's trying to balance that, is what I'm saying. There is also a star card over here, okay, which stars always give hope, at least to me, okay. So she is being hopeful about the future. I think that's where this judgment card is coming in the present energy, okay. She or he, whoever it is, that person has definitely worked on manifesting something, bringing some desires to fruition, okay. Definitely some healing work and inner work done over here, is what I'm saying. And I feel this is the universe that or the God or the supreme power is watching you, whatever you are doing. See, whatever you are giving your focus on, whatever you are focusing on, wherever your energy is flowing, it's going to grow. And see this flower blooming over here. It's a beautiful card. It's a beautiful energy altogether, guys. And if you are doing this, if you are investing in yourself, I'm so proud of you. Like really, really proud of you. So coming to your near future, your immediate future, like I said, some of you guys might have to make a judgment call. This is because this is the Two of Swords that has come up in your immediate future, which is wanting or asking you to take some decision. You might be put at some crossroads, okay, wherein you have to make a very tough choice, tough decision, okay. So that card is clarified by King of Swords. Now there is a strong air energy in your chart, guys. You are definitely having air somewhere in your charts, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you are dealing with someone who is having air in their charts. So basically the thing is, this dilemma is going to be solved by clear communication. You need to communicate clearly, you need to have clarity of thoughts yourself, okay, and only then will you be able to get through this difficult decision making phase, okay. So make sure that whatever it is that you want to decide, make sure that you communicate your thoughts clearly, okay. Let the other person or whoever is involved, whichever party is involved in this, know that you are not up for any BS, okay. Don't be rude or shrewd or egoistic, but make sure that you are assertive enough and you are putting or communicating your point through very clearly, okay. That is the energy I'm getting over here. That's how you're going to be able to come out of this, or taking that judgment. You'll be able to take that judgment call, is what I'm getting, through clear communication. Yes. The energy in your blocking position is 10 of Cups. Now this was again very interesting. I was not understanding why 10 of Cups is coming in the blocking position, and it was clarified by 7 of Cups. Now what I'm feeling is someone is dealing with some family issues, something related to family, some issues, some concerns related to family, and that is making you feel very much overwhelmed, very much emotional. Your emotions are basically scattered and all over the place, okay? And that is related to something which is very close to your heart. 10 of Cups is a family card. Like you see, it's a beautiful, beautiful energy. I really love it when I get this card. It's a very loving and super emotional and super cute energy, okay? So anyway, whatever it is, something related to your personal life, your family life, your friends, family, loved ones, someone who is really very close to heart. There is something that is bothering you about them, and it's making you very emotional, okay? It's kind of creating that clutter, emotional clutter and emotional havoc in your mind is what I'm getting over here. The energy in the outcome is that of Empress. Now this is again a very beautiful card, one of my favorite cards in the deck rather. So guys, some of you guys are going to have some good news in their life in terms of pregnancy. You might be conceiving, okay, you might have addition to the family, but this also signifies that someone might have some new idea, okay, because Empress talks about inception of something new, okay? It could be anything. It could also be a new business idea, some new idea altogether that has crossed your mind, okay? This also talks about an energy who is in full glory of himself or herself, okay? Interestingly, in your in your overall energy, I can see Emperor also. So I feel, guys, some of you guys are going to have a soulmate relationship. Some of you guys might get committed into a committed relationship, okay? And this is going to be a soulmate relationship, okay? This person or this, now take the way it resonates. You could be the Empress or the Emperor, however it resonates. So this person is finding you, or this person finds you like a beautiful woman. I'll talk in terms of the gender of this energy. Someone who is really beautiful, mature, okay? Someone who can take care of herself and her loved ones, okay? Someone who is independent and very much caring, okay? And this Emperor is absolutely in love with this Empress, okay? It's a perfect combination. It's a perfect duo that is going to come together in this 3D world, okay? It's a beautiful what do I say? It's a beautiful energy, guys. So talking about your other overall energy, World card, some karmic cycle coming to an end, life coming full circle for some of you guys, one chapter closing, another chapter opening. Some of you guys might also be traveling. This could be overseas travel across the globe, okay? That could be the turning point of for some of you guys, okay? Lovely energy to hold. Yes. Talk of what do I say? Talk of a karmic cycle or a major event, and there is 9 of Cups showing up right away below that. This is all about wish fulfillments, okay? Dreams coming true. It's a lovely energy again. I feel that this 9 of Cups is also relating to this power couple, Emperor and Empress. Someone is going to have that beautiful energy, beautiful relationship, beautiful marriage, beautiful alliance, and it's going to be like a dream come true. Look at this person. He is looking so dreamily at okay okay, he's looking so dreamily towards this energy, okay? It's like, oh my god, this person absolutely adores you guys. To whoever this is resonating, I'm sure it's very specific, but yeah, this is going to be a beautiful relationship. There you go, Justice card, okay? Paperwork coming through, legal work coming through, okay? This could also mean that these two people are going to get married, okay? You'll be legally married, okay? You'll get that stamp of husband and wife coming through, okay? For these people who for whom we have pulled the World card, and as I said, you might be traveling across the globe. You might get your visa through, okay? All the paperwork done, okay? Justice being served after a long wait is what I'm saying over here. By the way, guys, Libra had similar, like very similar energy. If you have Libra in your chart somewhere, do check it out, guys. Strength card and Queen of Wands. Now this again is a very powerful energy. Someone is trying to what do I say? Someone is trying to, I feel that this is resonating with the energy, the anxious energy that I was connecting while meditating. Someone is feeling extremely anxious but yet trying to brave the situation, okay, taking one day at a time, one step at a time, trying to muster courage, trying to face the life or face the situation headstrong. Okay, I'm so proud of you. It's a Leo energy, guys. Yes, and it's like you are trying to control or tame the devil within you. Okay, you are trying to control the surge of emotions, anxiety within you. Okay, you are trying to tame the toxicity within you and trying to brave the situation. That's the kind of energy I'm getting. And this Queen of Wands is someone again who is very much passionate about life, passionate about her work, okay, passionate about the things that are coming her way, okay, and is very much wanting to face the life and the situations in a headstrong manner. Strong Leo fire energy over here, that is what I'm seeing. Maybe you have Leo in your birth chart somewhere, or any fire sign in your birth charts. The reading, however, is dominated by air energy and water energy. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, if you have that in your birth charts. So this card, guys, had come up while shuffling also for a couple of times, and it definitely wanted its presence to be noticed. So it has come in your main reading as well. Break free, try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. Wow, what a lovely message. What a lovely message. It's a very self-explanatory card, guys. For those of you who are used to stay in comfort zones and are not willing to try new things, this card is for them to explore options, break your own inhibitions, show courage, okay, show courage, muster courage, and just go out and explore the world, guys. Lovely energy, lovely energy. So guys, the crystal that has come off for you guys is blue lace agate. It's such a lovely crystal. This crystal is talking about expressing yourself, okay, communicate yourself clearly, okay. I'll just read it for you. As far as I remember, it's all about expressing. This crystal basically connects spirit with intellect, highlighting integrity. It enhances the ability to communicate effectively whatever is in your mind and heart. So there definitely is a call for clear communication that we already saw, guys. Attune to your inner being to express the fullness of who you are. Be confident when speaking in public, as you have much to share. You may have been silenced in the past. Repressing thoughts and feelings causes throat problems. So speak your mind gently, honestly, and clearly. You have the gift of serenity. Use it wisely. Speak your heartfelt truth with integrity and confidence. Do not fear being judged. Expect news shortly and keep lines of communication open. Events unfold slowly. Return to basics and start again if necessary. Focus your mind on open your intuition. Your life will be long and happy. Accept your sensitive side. Wow, what a lovely message. So it's all about expressing yourself, communicating yourself, communicating your thoughts and feelings whenever they are required and in the right manner. That's the strong message that is coming through this reading, guys. And let's pull some charms for you guys. I love this card. Let's see what charms we have for you. So yeah, let's see. I'm not looking at them right away. I'm just taking them. Okay. I would like to take this also. And let's see one more. I'll take this also. Okay. Let's see what message is. Make a wish. Success. Make a wish and success. What a lovely card. Like I said, there is 9 of Cups energy over here. It's the card talks about dreams coming true, manifestations happening, okay. So it's like you are in a lovely phase where whatever you wish is going to come to fruition, okay. Your dreams are going to come into existence, into reality. So just make the best out of it, guys. Make a wish and see it succeed. Lovely energy, guys. It takes a big heart to teach little minds. Wow, what a lovely message. I think this is going hand in hand with this King of Swords energy, wherein you need to communicate something very clearly. Maybe that person might not be in the receptive mode, yet you need to communicate, because it takes a big heart to teach little minds, and some things have to be spoken, needs to be spoken. That's the kind of message. Wow. I choose strength. Aha, strength coming there again. So wow, this is definitely your energy, guys. You are mustering courage, you are gathering courage, you are being courageous, and I am so proud of you. You are choosing strength over weakness, and I am so proud of you. So Cancerians, I leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. Okay, if any of this is your story, please give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, share the feedback if you have any. Okay, and last but not the least, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so I'll see you next month directly now. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.